That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Whakataka te hau ki te uri, whakataka te hau ki te tonga kia mā, kina kiuta kia mā taratara ki tai. E hiake ana te atākura, he tio, he huka, he hauhunga, tūturi whakamaua kia tēnā haumi e hui e, tae ki e. Ko te mea tuatahi tēnei te mihi, ki te atua ko ia te timatanga me te whakamutunga o ngā mea katoa. Whakonaretia te kuini Māori, ngā waihona i te pō me tōna whānau tainua ki te whare kāhui ariki nui tōni pai mare ki a rātou katoa. Ka mihi ki te whare me te whenua tēnā kōrua ko ngā maunga ngā awa me ngā ngāhere e tiaki ana i a tātou. Ka mihi ki te hunga mate haere atu rā. Ko te aroha te manaakitanga me te kotahitanga hipau i roto i tēnei au. Ka mihi ki te honga ora, tihei mauri ora ki a tātou. Ko Stefan Temihai o West Oku Ingoa, tēnei te mihi ki a koutou katoa te whānau, nau mai hara mai ki tēnei kēmu. Ko Feilding High School, they're going up against Lindisfarne College at the whānau today, so it's going to be a really tough CNI battle going on, and let's start with the Feilding list i tēnei ahi. And at number 1 we have Ngata, at 2 the captain Goodman, 3 Whakava, 4 Hawker, at lock Brown, and at number 6 Anapu Burke, at 7 Gibson, and at 8 Tuncliffe. Now the 9 is Tyrell, and at 10 we have Wallace McLeod. On the wing Nagel, and 12 Viliamu. At 13 Raka, and at 14 Kuriabaki. At fullback is Dixon, and that's the starting 15 for Feilding. That's Aorangi's lineup today, whānau. Moving on now to the Lindisfarne starting 15. We have at 1 Hutchinson, 2 Timms, 3 Tuna, 4 Reid, 5 East, 6 Dawson, 7 Allen, and at 8 Sumutonga. At halfback we have Jay Smith, and the captain at number 10 today is Puketapu Pene. At 11 Britton, at 12 Taylor. Rounding out the midfielders, at 13 is Benefield, and 14 is Ladette Pinfold. And 15 at fullback today is Palmer at the whānau. So look, tough game here for both sides. Good conditions here in Papaioia. And so we should get some fast-flowing rugby here today at the whānau. Not too far away now from kickoff. And if we look at the CNI table for 2026, it's a tight points table here to whānau. And as a matter of fact, Feilding currently sitting in a tough position. They had a close game most recently. And they're actually sitting in third place on 20 points. Whereas Lindisfarne, they'll be looking for a win as well, because They're only 2 points behind Feilding on 18 points. So it's going to be a tough battle. Both teams looking to really take on the challenge and try and make their way up the ladder. And so it's a top 4 battle here at Te Whānau. And the conditions are looking awesome here in Papaioia. And just a bit of a background meaning behind Lindisfarne, motu tape kareti, tēngoa Māori or Lindisfarne, and that name was chosen to reflect the history. In fact, Lindisfarne Island in the UK is the school's namesake, motu tape, which translates literally to Sacred Island or Holy Isle, matching Lindisfarne's famous historical identity. Anglo-Saxon Christianity, kareti, is the Māori translation for college. Feilding, te kura tuarua o Aorangi, refers to the local area, the landscape and historical ties to the region. Their crest, have courage, desire greatly, kia toa, kia ngā kau nui. A tēnei te mihi, a kia koutou katoa. And just running out the benches, for Feilding today on the bench, we've got at 16, Blake Grenham, 17, Brosnahan, at 18, Wallace, 19, Copsey, 20, Beezer, and 21 is Palele, and rounding it out is Malasilia at 22. Their head coach Justin Lock for Feilding. As we can see there, making their way towards the halfway mark. Quite a few caps there for Aorangi. Lindisfarne's bench, 16, Bruce, 17, Griffith, 18, Beardmore, 19 is McIntosh, at 20, Hunia, at 21, Munro, and at 22, Ngāhuka. You can see a motuta. They're making their way now onto the field, as well as we are very close to cook-off here, Te Whānau. You can see Lindisfarne there approaching halfway, putting down their caps, ready to lay the challenge. Located in Hastings, Hawke's Bay. Pretty decent start from Lindisfarne. Tēnō pai rawa atu tērā. Both kura bringing a lot of passion to their haka. And looking back to round one, look, the season, round one losing 24-22.
My job is to communicate.
Hatu Paura, St. Paul's College, Collegiate. But they've actually made their way back into contention this year with very strong wins in most recent weeks. Feilding as well, big win in round two, 67-12 against St. John's Hastings. And then in round three, they actually had a big win, 43-17. So both teams sitting at third, fourth on the ladder. And we're going to have Aorangi to kick off. Kua tīmata te whaiwhai. Viliamu, he gets us inside the roa te kaumārua. Great take there from Motutapu. Motutapu, just outside the roa te kaumārua. Nice carry, and they're going to look to exit here. Through their number 12.
Steely hasn't got the two. Thought Rocky had it.
Counter attack here for Aorangi.
He's going to have a look for it.
Look at the Oma. Aorangi. The play continues at the whānau. Past the halfway here. Aorangi, good carry here from Viliamu. Ka te oma anō. Looks blindside but goes to the open. Good defensive work here from Motutapu. And they're going to look to kick here. Aorangi. Nice nudge here, and Lindisfarne aren't able to tidy up. And Taylor just botched that a little bit, and so that Aorangi at the around the roa te kaumārua. The captain Goodman to throw, and they go to the front here through Tuncliffe, but straight off the back of the line out of carry here for Aorangi. Just building phases, nice tip pass there for Raka. Play continues. Motutapu really trying to make a nuisance of himself at the breakdown, but off the feet. So referees called a penalty, and Aorangi, though, they make the safe decision there and go for the toru piro. So just waiting for the tee to come on. Aorangi, good start from them. Nice play for territory. And it's worked out well as Viliamu is going to line this toru piro. Should be a straightforward kick here. Okay, runga. Toru ki te kore piro ki Aorangi. And Motutapu is going to look to kick back down and reset. Just need to be disciplined here. Don't want to give away Motutapu. Please do Motutapu. So Aorangi, they receive it just inside the Rotako Mārua. Big carry there for Aorangi, and they go same way. And it's out the back. Big cut-out pass, but just not clinical enough there, Aorangi. So
Talk about just letting them back into the game.
Lindisfarne, they're going to have a opportunity here at that Aorangi. Timms to throw. But great steal there from Aorangi. They're playing for territory, but it's a bit of a miss kick here. So a bit untidy from both teams. But they're able to get the ball back here, Aorangi, so they might look to exit again. Strong carry here for Aorangi. Just working it through the backs. Really busy here, Viliamu and Raka. And that's another good carry there from Whakaba. Ngata there with the carry as well, but they're going to look to go to the edge. Aorangi now in space. Just needs to stay in, but taken out into touch, and it's going to be Aorangi to Motutapu. Didn't quite get there, Aorangi, right. So they'll want to fix up their mistakes here. Another steal there from Aorangi. And Lindisfarne try to go quick, but need to find a way to clean up their set piece to Motutapu. Crucial part of the game, set piece. And if they want a chance to beat Aorangi today, they'll need to tidy that up as Aorangi, a nice strike play, go out the back, and they do get a little breakaway there. So fun football here for Aorangi. Another carry here through Araka. And they go to work through Aorangi over the advantage line. And Lindisfarne, they want to hold their discipline. Don't give away a penalty as Aorangi go the same way. Lots of line speed here from Lindisfarne. And they try to go down the blind here, do Aorangi. And they're finding success. On there from Lindisfarne. Referee, let's play continue. Pick and go. From Goodman, the captain. Yeah, backdoor, front door options here now for Aorangi. You can see Wallace there playing halfback. Just gaining momentum now here, Aorangi. Not held in the tackle there, just coming inside the roa, just didn't quite get his timing right there. Aorangi, the number 5, Brown, and so it will be a turnover, Kakari to Motutapu. Motutapu, a proud traditional school. They've got Scottish heritage with pipe band and tartan kilts. One of the historic kura of our country. And again, we talked about set piece, and now Aorangi's going to go very close, but that was great scramble there from Motutapu to force the board down, and they've tried to go quickly here, Motutapu, but it was charged down partially by Aorangi. The referees called it back. And I'm picking it might be a Arima Mita Kakari Kia Aorangi. Possibly carried back there from Motutapu. And we just got a bit of a stoppage in play here. Aorangi located in Manawatu, one of the main co-ed kura of our Manawatu region. Opened in Kotahi Mano, Iwarau, Rawatako Mātahi, as an agricultural high school. A major farming hub is Aorangi. About 1,600 tauira. And their whutupōro programs really gained a lot of momentum in recent years. Always a top 4 national threat. As Aorangi go to the scrum, it's a great go there from Aorangi, and it is the number 8 who gets in there. The referee just having a word with Motutapu captain. As we can see, Viliamu, he's going to line up, made a successful penalty conversion earlier on, and he wants to add the 2 points and does so. Tino pai te mahi kia Aorangi, te kau piro ki te kore. And we're te kau mā toru minute into the first half whānau.
Yeah, scrums alliance.
Just need to tidy up.
Every scrum we've dominated.
Set piece, they haven't had much ball either, have Motutapu. That's a good kick-off, but well received there. Just tip back there, nice from Whakawa. And so Aorangi, they're going to look to build some phases and potentially exit. They've got the ball in hand, nice carry here from Maraka. And they do try and exit here through Wallace, and ball's found grass. Counter attack opportunity here for Motutapu. Through their number 15, Palmer. And it's a good carry here from Palmer. Tim's now with a good carry, but no advantage. So Aorangi offside, they just want to watch their discipline. And they take a quick tap. He's isolated here. Reed. Just trying to catch them napping here, Motutapu. And really pick up the tempo. East there with a good carry. They're going blindside here through their halfback. Nice little dinky kick, but it's tied it up nicely from Aorangi. Ke te whana te pōro. Nice catch there from te Awarangi. Puke and now Lindisfarne Motutapu there. Just outside the rua te Kaumarua, inside ball here. Through east. Blindside attack for Motutapu. Jay Smith, he's going to work. Finding his pods, another inside ball here. They're trying to find the edge, but they're going to swing it back to the blind side. So a switch play here for Motutapu. They got a lot of momentum here. Good carry from Reed. Now the back's getting involved. Taylor. Back here for Dawson. Almost got isolated, but that's a good carry there. East. Hands here for Motutapu. The 14, he's gone. He might have lost that. Did pinball. What does the referee say? He's talking to the touchy. And that's a try there for Motutapu. So good response there. Te kau ki te Arima Piro. Great response from Motutapu. And they just played patient for Tuporo. Found the space out wide, and that was a great finish there from Ledette Pinfold. Just really took the line on. Great fend and was able to dot it down in the corner. We'd have Taylor. He's shaping to kick here and try and get another 2 points. He struck it well, and it's over. Whitupiro now for Motutapu. And their coaches, Lawrence Sumutonga and Blair Cross, they'll be happy with that response. Aorangi, get us back underway at Te Whānau. It's a nice high kick, and that's a great take there from Aorangi. Hot on attack, straight off the kickoff here. They're going to look to go wide. Long ball here for Aorangi. Trying to offload there. They've still got possession. Good carry here from the forwards from Aorangi. Just building phases, looking to go towards the edge. Standing very deep. And great footwork there from the 15 for Aorangi. That's Dixon. He's got his team going forward. Good mahi here from Gibson. And they go back towards the blind side. Aorangi now. How are they going to respond? Another carry here from Gibson. Now we've got Anapu Burke. He wants a carry, as does the captain Goodman. They're going to pick and go But they switch it now through their number 6. Anapu Burke. Referee has his arm out. Aorangi. How are they going to use this advantage? They're going to swing it. It's over to the edge. Good footwork here from the number 13. That is a brilliant try from Raka. And that's another Rima Piro to Aorangi. And now Aorangi. They're going to want to get this conversion through Viliamu. Good passage of play to give themselves a te kaumārima ki te whitu lead here. Can they get another rua piro? I think we were wide there, so Aorangi. They'll be happy with that response after Lindisfarne scored in the corner. Now it's Motutapu. It's their turn to respond. It's a good restart here. Motutapu come through with Reed, but not able to get possession. Not held in the tackle there, Aorangi, so they just brought in more phases. Now going out back door here for the backs. The try scorer here, Raka, with another strong run. Ka te o mano. Aorangi. Ke te whana Wallace, but taken in the air there and tapped it quickly here. That is a brilliant run here from the number 15, Palmer, for Motutapu. Fun football here. He's going wide here, Lindisfarne. That's a brilliant try in the corner. I believe he scored and the referee agrees. So that's a great response there from Motutapu. Good eyes up rugby there. Jay Smith with the quick tap ran 30-40 metres upfield. It's a great response here. You see Taylor here, right on the sideline. He was able to nail it from the other side. Can he do the same? I te taha Māori. And he's just hit it. Ki te taha Māori of the post. So te kaumārima ki te kaumārua piro. Aorangi, they've got a 3-point lead at the whānau. We've seen both teams really respond well after conceding points. So can Aorangi do the same? Good carry, good take here from Motutapu. They tried to go wide and they've knocked it on. And so Aorangi will get a chance here. Good attacking position at the kākari for Aorangi. Just outside the rua te kaumārua. Kākari here for Aorangi. An early push here. The referee will call the reset. Just speaking to the front row. Trying to settle it down here. Kākari time. Tyrell will feed for Aorangi. And they do go left side here through the number 12 here for Aorangi. Good carry from Viliamu. But Motutapu have stolen the possession. And a great whana there. Tied it up nicely though. But he's a bit isolated. Motutapu flooding the ruck, and they've got a turnover here now, space for Motutapu, but unfortunately for them, Britain just wasn't able to link up with the edge. Counter-attack opportunity there. And it will be a kakari to Aorangi. So we roa te kaumā whitu miniti. I te hawhi tuatahi. Kākari here for Aorangi. Fed by Tyrell. And it's a... Oh! That's just great work there for Motutapu. Te Aorangi just played to their advantage. For some reason, Viliamu, he just stopped playing to the whistle, and Motutapu really took advantage there. That's a great response there from Motutapu. And they've converted as well, and they're going to take the lead. So te kaumā iwa ki te kaumā rima. Motutapu with the lead. As we get to the restart here, Motutapu taken nicely there through their number 6, Dawson. They look to exit. Do Motutapu. So good nudge there from Taylor, but he hasn't found the sideline, so counter-attack opportunity. Nice pass there from Viliamu. Aorangi building phases here. They've got the ball out on the edge. They just want to stay in. And they swing it the other way. Nice tip pass there for Aorangi. They go in same way. Hands here for Aorangi. Good run here from the number 14. Just continuing to build phases here now, Aorangi. Another big carry here. They go back, switch back to the blind side through their captain, Goodman.
Be a threat, Rucker. Come on, work.
Tyrell, he goes back the open side. You can hear the sideline. They want Rucker to get involved, the 13. And it's a nice passage of play here. Tons of space for Aorangi, and they do respond to a brilliant edge try there. So, great response from Aorangi. Just great teamwork, great passages of play, building phases and linking through the hands. And the space just opened up for Aorangi. And as a result, they're back in the lead. Roa tako, ki te tako mā iwa. Very close game here at the whānau in the first half. Pore tako mā tahi miniti. And can they get the 2 points? Just slightly off to the side, so the score remains just a tahi piro advantage for Aorangi. How will Motutapu respond? They've been able to respond each time Aorangi scores, so
Get up, Davey, get up. Hold, Davey, hold. Davey, hold. Davey, hold. Davey, hold.
Big carry here. They've gone up the back though, Aorangi, and shaping to kick through their 12. Viliamu, but he hasn't found the grass, so counter attack here for Motutapu. That's Palmer with the carry. Rucker's slow, but they do come back down the blind side. Nice pop pass off the ground there from Motutapu. But there has been a knock on. So Kakari for Motutapu. Jay Smith the feed. Just want to finish strong here, do Motutapu. Just rua miniti ki te mutunga o te hawhi tuatahi. Kakari here for Motutapu. They're going wide here. Space here. What a run here from the 15, Palmer. Is he going to go all the way? Tackle, pop pass off the ground, and that's a brilliant try for Britain. Another good response from Lindisfarne. So they're going to take the lead here. Te whānau roa tako mā whā. Te te roa tako. Kick to come here. We might get one more passage of play after the kick. Referee just looking at his watch. Yep, 1 minute. Struck nicely, but it is waved to the right side. So last play here. As we draw closer to the end of the first half.
Austin, Lockie, shut down the straight line. Get up, Jack, get up, Jack.
Yeah, restart here from Aorangi. Motutapu will just look to kick the ball out, get to half time. And that's good time management there from Motutapu. So they're going to be happy at Te Whānau with that half-time score. Roa te kau, mā whākite, roa te kau. We're going to go to the half-time break at Te Whānau, and I will see you very shortly.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whiako pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey! Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Te Whānau, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai hara mai anō e te whānau, a ki tēnei kēmu pai. Aroa te kau mā whākite, aroa te kau, Motutapu Lindisfarne there in the lead. Quite a high scoring first half here from both tīma. But it's been some Exciting footy. Lots of great passages from both sides as the referee blows the whistle. Just a big mihi out to our sponsors. Bailey's, Apollo Projects, Caltex, NZ Carbon Farming. Tēnei te mihi kia koutou katoa mō tō tautoko. Ki te tautoko a te arangatahi. O te motu nei. Aorangi, they'll want to respond. They are the tangata whenua i te nei ahi. And they've built some good phases here, Aorangi. They just need to watch the counter-attack pressure from Motutapu. In fact, their fullback, Palmer, had a great first half as he looks to get us back underway. Ke te whana anō. We're into the second half now. Aorangi, just outside the Ruateko Mārua, they're going to look to exit. And it's a big kick there from Aorangi. The ball hits the ground, but it's punched forward. So Motutapu, we spoke about their counter-attack, deadly on counter, but the referee just taking the guy out without the ball, and another quick tap here for Motutapu. As that's a dart-in rung there from a Te Awarangi Puke. Good carry here for Motutapu. Puke again. Good carries here. Motutapu. Back to the open side. Jay Smith doing a good job here. Directing play. Good carry again. Benefield. Cause for isolation there from Aorangi, but referee lets it continue. Very close now. Motutapu. Referee has the arm out. Strong carry here for East, and he's over. So that's a great start here for Motutapu. Very good start. And now Aorangi, they're going to find themselves under a bit of pressure. Kick's not a difficult one either for the number 12. Taylor lines this up and he kicks it straight through the middle, so tore te kau mātahi ki te roa te kau. And Motutapu, they're going to be very happy with that start to the second half. But still plenty of time here for Aorangi. Just to claw their way back into this Kemu at the whānau. Bit of a missed kick as well, so that's not what they wanted there. And it's going to be a kakari here for Motutapu. Jay Smith will feed. Set piece just not so clinical from Motutapu in the first half, so watch for Aorangi to really push the scrum, and they do exactly that. Good pressure, but Motutapu were able to win the ball. They've nudged it straight into the corner. It's out on the full though. And so that's good scrum pressure. Just setting it on the back foot.
I'll get it out there for you, mate. I agree.
Yeah, good comms here from Aorangi. Just not wanting to panic. Plenty of time, as mentioned on the Papatakoro. And they'll carry strong off at Aorangi time. Another carry here for Aorangi. They look to go back to the blind. Nice backdoor pass here. But that's good defence as well from Motutapu. Just want to make sure they're on side here, Motutapu. Push back. We're Aorangi, nice inside ball from Goodman. Back to the blind side. Tip passes here for Aorangi. Ball goes loose. They're going to look to kick now here, Aorangi. The chase is decent and the ball sits up. Risky throw from Motutapu there. Fullback, I believe, yes. Was able to tidy up nicely there. As Palmer was put under pressure, and so was Motutapu. So it's going to be no advantage for Motutapu. So they'll get another chance here to exit. We saw a great line out from Aorangi just moments earlier. So look for them to be aggressive again at Kākari time. And that's a good call there from referee Motutapu, just standing in the scrum. Tons of pressure here from Aorangi. They need to respond. They're going to look to kick it out and go to their more. So Rārangi here for Aorangi. Their captain Goodman to throw. They fake it at the back and then strike the middle. Just want to be careful here, Aorangi. They are going forwards. Very close now. Pick and go phases. Nice carry again. He looks held up, but he's over. It's a great response there from Aorangi. That brings the score. Toru te kaumatahi ki te roa te kaumawhima. Aorangi looking to convert, and they do so. That brings it even tighter. Just Whapiro Aorangi from this Motutapu lead. Great response. After half time, I'll be happy with that response as well. The Aorangi coaches Restart just caught inside the roa te kau mārua. Aorangi. To exit, but great hands from Motutapu. Their counter-attack's been great today. They ball pressure through their forwards.
Silver's gone, and I think Dante's gone.
Big dummy there from East. Was loose.
Numbers, where are we defending? Who are we defending, boys? Look up.
Motutapu, they've got plenty. Very close here, Motutapu. Another carry. Just need to be patient here. Another great run, but he's past it. He probably should have held that. Great game.
Push the pressure on, Jack, get off. Discipline, boys, discipline. Keep the hype up, Joe. Keep them happy. Up, boys! On here! Yours, Monty, yours!
Just keep them with you. Keep them happy. We're okay.
Aorangi now. They've got the ball just on the halfway, but strong carry. Pressure here now from Aorangi. Just on the edge here, but contested off his feet though. Motutapu. Good carry from Whakava. The replacement halfback, Beezer. He goes blindside. They've got space here now, Aorangi. And that's a great dart in the corner here. And great response now from Aorangi. Dazzling run there from the winger. Kuruyabaki. Just really found the space and dived into the corner there for Aorangi. So that tightens up the scoreboard again e te whānau. Tore te kau mā waru ki te tore te kau mā rua. And that's a successful conversion now. I believe just rua piro in this kemu. Te kau mā toru miniti I te hawhe tuarua. Caught nicely there for Aorangi. Motutapu, they're looking to respond again as well. Holding phases here through their hooker. The replacement, 17, Griffith. Strong defence here from Aorangi. Hutchinson with the pick and go. He's isolated though, and the referee blows the penalty. It's right out in front there for Motutapu. They might want to take 3 points here, but they are going to go for 3. And that's a sensible decision, I believe. I believe the score's tore te kau mā waru. Ki te tore te kau mā whā. Just several points in this e te whānau. Larry Pinfold, he's going to line up this penalty conversion. It's right out in front, so it should be straightforward, and it is for Motutapu. It's a high-scoring game here, te whānau. Aorangi, they're going to need to respond well. As Motutapu look to exit. Kick nicely, ball hits the ground though. Great offload there from their captain, Goodman. But the ball spills loose. Referee, he just took to the touchy to see what happened there. And he's caught it back, so... Must be a knock on, so I'm picking a kakari here for Aorangi. More subs to be made. As we can see, the number 17 for Feilding, he's made his way over his Alex Brosnahan. The replacement halfback for Aorangi, he's been good since he's come on as well, Beezer. And a big set there from Aorangi off the back of the scrum. Big carry here from the number 8. He tips it inside. Aorangi need to be patient here. Ball goes wide, a nice tip pass there. And Aorangi, another great response. Great phases, great patience too, and a beautiful tip pass there from Aorangi. And it's a very tight game now at the whānau. 20 minutes into the second half. Just te kaumārima miniti ki te mutunga o tēnei kēmu. And missed the conversion. So Aorangi, they will continue to fight their way back. Motutapu, they're going to get us back underway. Through a kick restart. Almost a miss kick there from Motutapu, but it floated nicely there. And they were able to challenge. So it's a knock on there, kakari for Motutapu. They just want to get their set piece right. Aorangi's scrum has been great so far. They'll look to put more pressure on Motutapu. As we can see, their replacement halfback, Hunia, he's on. And it's a huge, huge kakari from Aorangi. We spoke about the set piece. For Motutapu, they just need to sort out their set piece. And Aorangi managed to work themselves all the way into the Motutapu half. Rārangi here for Aorangi. Referee just trying to settle the game down. And that's a good line out there for Aorangi. But they were accidentally offside there, so just need to be clinical here, Aorangi. Turning over possession, and Motutapu will get the kakari.
Make sure that stay on that 10 and keep them square.
Kakari here for Motutapu. Just over te kau miniti ki te mutunga o tēnei kinu. Early shove there though. And Motutapu take the tap quickly. So they're on the halfway mark here. More phases here for Motutapu. Now going to the edge. Great run. We've spoken about the 15. Palmer for Motutapu. So he's got them well on the front foot here. Good carrier game from East. They're going down the blind side. Strong defense there from Orangi. And they're back down the blind side again. Motutapu. Forwards to the right. He's just going to phases here. Motutapu. Down the blind side again. Very close now, Motutapu. That's good breakdown work there from Aorangi. They've stolen the ball. They've knocked it on though. And it is going to be a kakari, so just a few errors creeping in to their game now, Aorangi. And not much time remaining. As we're heading into the later stages of this Kemu e te whānau. Kakari now. Referee just making sure the scrum is set. Aorangi have been dominating, but they did give away a penalty at the last scrum, so they'll just want to get their technique right, not shove too early, and apply controlled aggression here for Aorangi. Here comes the ball, and it's another big shove, but the referee gives the penalty to Motutapu. They lost possession. It was ripped in the tackle. And just slowing the game down. Aorangi trying to work their way outside. Dorua te Kaumarua, they're going to shape the kick now. Carried back inside, I believe. And they've kicked it straight down to Motutapu. The replacement 22's made a good run there, hasn't Ngāhuka. Phases again for Motutapu. Again, more phases there. Dummy there from the 15. Inside ball, but it's there. And it's a great offload there for Ngāhuka, who scores. Palmer's been deadly with ball in hand, and he set up that try beautifully there for Ngāhuka. And so, Motutapu, they're going to be really proud of that effort, and time is going to be against Aorangi if they can just build phases, get rid of their errors. As we see Motutapu line up the conversion. Straightforward here for Motutapu, so it will be .6 minutes on the clock. Good conversion there for Motutapu. Whā te kauma, waru ki te, tore te kauma, iwa.
Fucking work, Lucas.
Miss kick again from Aorangi. And it's going to be a kakari for Motutapu. Big scrum here for Aorangi. Are they able to adapt to the referee? He's penalised them twice now at kakari time.
Chase him, chase him.
Great run from Motutapu.
Punch it! Well done, boys.
Counter attack there from Aorangi at the ruck, but Motutapu, they've still got possession. Phases now, backdoor for Motutapu. They've thrown a huge cutout there. And they're right out on the edge. Referee has his arm out. With 9 points down, Aorangi, they want to watch their discipline. I feel if Motutapu can score here, that might be the game over, but there's no advantage. So, offside was Aorangi. It's out in front. That's a kickable conversion as well. But they do decide to tap Motutapu. It's a very interesting call there. And they've given away possession here. Will that tap cost them? Because Aorangi, they need to really pick up the tempo if they want to try and steal this game. Good sideline kick though. So Aorangi will have possession at that Aorangi. Short line out here for Aorangi. They go to the back. It's nice and straight. So phases here. They do need to respond quickly. Do Aorangi. Quick ball here. Nice short ball here from Aorangi. Advantage as well. So they go to the edge here now. Referee still playing advantage. The ball's loose. No advantage, so they might want to tap and go here. Aorangi. They don't have much time to go. They've decided to go for 3 points, so that'll just edge it to a converted try, which could steal the game. The clock is winding down. Just toru miniti ki te mutunga o tēnei kemu. Big kick here for Tuhara. Yeah, unsuccessful there from Tuharakia. So it will be a 22 dropout. Time is running out. Referees checking his time. Just smart decision here from Motutapu to slow it down. They're going to go deep. That's the smart move. Aorangi will get a chance of possession now. Good run here from Aorangi. Good offload as well. Big fend coming in from Raka. Pick and goes now for Aorangi. Working their way towards the blind side. And it's a darting run. They are going to sneak in. Visa, what a try. So that's going to push the score ever so closer. And the drop kick conversion is successful. So one more passage of play, I believe. Just a minute to go. Very high scoring game here, finally. Motutapu, they'll want to go long and just play defence. They don't want to give away a penalty. They do kick long. Counter attack here for Aorangi. They look to strike right from their 22. They've got numbers here, do Aorangi. Offload down the edge here. Just needs to stay inside. It's lost. And that might be at the final. And that is. And what a great performance there from Motutapu. That was a big upset. Full-time score. Whātekau MāORI ki te whātekau MāOno. And what a pleasure that was to watch. Tēnei te mihi kia koutou katoa mō tō taringa me o karu I tēnei ahi ahi. A big mihi up to Whakaata Māori and our sponsors for hanging in there with us today. And that was another great example of the CNI competition. So, privileged to be with you here, Te Whānau. And we wish you a great Saturday afternoon. Ngā mihi nui.